Hi, in front of me is Nokia C01 Plus, and today I would like to show you where you can access all your downloads. Firstly, just open one of your apps called Files. It will be on your device already. And if you never used it before, select Continue in the pop-up. Then tap on Browse at the bottom in the middle. And last but not least, hit Downloads. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!